Hello, today let's look at LeetCode question count and say. So this LeetCode question 38, which says count and say, is one of the problems that everybody gets confused because people don't even understand what are they trying to say finally. It's very hard to understand what the problem is, and that's why most people don't find the solution. So what is the problem is actually asking? Let's try to understand and try to grasp that, right? So if you're given this problem, it says that you count how many times a digit is there and you say it, right? So it appears consequently and then you say the digit. For example, we can better understand these with some examples. So I've been given 1. When 1 is given, that means I have been given 1, 1. How many ones are there? 1, 1. So the output will be 1, 1. And if I have been given 1, 1, then I would say there are 2 ones, right? I'm going to say that there are 2 ones. So 2, 1 is the answer. And when I'm given 2, 1, then 1, 2 is there and 1, 1 is there. So 1, 2, 1, 1. That's the output. And let's look at the fourth one. 1, 2, 1, 1 is given. So there is 1, 1, 1, 2 and 2 ones. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. So append all of it and then you will get this one output. So that's the understanding of this count and say problem. It's a medium level problem. So let's look at the solution. So for the count and say, what is the solution? The solution is that you're given an integer n, and then if say n is equal to 1, then you're going to return 1. Otherwise you have string is equal to 1, and for I equals 1 to n, I plus plus, you need to build result, and that is assigned back to result. Here the result has value 1 as a string, and to this method you're building the result and returning that result. So what does build string do? It returns a string. So for the one that we have to return, we need to have a string builder declared here, and at the end we are going to return sb.toString. So what we do here is have a counter initialized to 1, and for 1 to string.length I plus plus. Inside this array what we are doing is I'm going to check the character at I, is it the same as its previous character. If it is, then keep incrementing the counter from 1 to 2 so on, and say if it is not, at that time I need to reset my counter to 1. Along with that I need to update for the string builder. I need to append the count and the string that was in the j-1th index, that is the previous, until where it was the same, right? So how many times that count was there, I'm going to append that. And also the last one, I need to again append count and the last one, str.character at str.length -1. And then when you do return, it will have all the things built in by these method. It will get called multiple times, and then when it's returned, you are able to submit the code and it's getting accepted and submitted. So I hope this was beneficial. this is the place where it is called multiple time. It's built for all this times. It's going to the loop and it builds this and returns the result back. It's like a recursive call. So that's how this works. I hope this was useful. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such LeetCode. Thank you.